Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel Today as Creations. I hope you've all been doing okay. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to take your own body measurements. To take your body measurements, you're going to be needing three things. First, you need a measuring tape. I'm using the one that has inches on one side and centimeters on the other. Next, you need a rope of any color, and this is just to mark out where you'll be measuring on your body. Finally, you need a tight fitting outfit like this jumpsuit I have here, but shirt and leggings is also fine. And this is so that you take accurate body measurements. When taking your body measurements, try to avoid wearing bulky outfits like baggy jeans, sweatpants, sweatshirts, or even jackets. And that's because those type of outfits give you a lot of fabric to work with, which ends up altering your final body measurements. I divided this video into three parts: your upper body measurements, your lower body measurements, and your sleeve measurements, so that you guys can follow along very easily. And under these three parts, we have the horizontal measurements and then the vertical measurements. So now grab a paper, a pen, or your phone notes app, and let's get started. First, we have the shoulder. Measure from one shoulder edge to the other shoulder edge across your back and note down what you have. For me, it was 15.5. For the nipple to nipple measurement, measure from the center of one nipple to the other, and this will help with proper bust placement in garments. Mine was 8 inches. For your bust measurement, wrap the tape around the fullest part of your bust. Make sure the tape is straight and not too tight. This is it from the front, and this is how it should look from the side. For your underbust measurement, measure around your body just under the bust. Once again, make sure the tape is straight and not too tight. This is it from the front, and this is how it should look from the side. For your waist measurement, measure around the smallest part of your waist. Don't suck in your stomach and just stay natural. This is it from the front, and this is how it should look from the side. Now we'll be taking the vertical measurements. For the vertical measurement, you're going to place the tip of the measuring tape on your shoulder closest to your neck. Now, measure from your shoulder down to the fullest part of your bust. This is your shoulder to bust measurement. After, measure from your shoulder to just under the bust, and that's your shoulder to under bust measurement. Finally, measure from your shoulder down to the waistline, and this will be your shoulder to waist measurement. Now we'll be taking your lower body measurements. Measure around your lower waist just above your hips. Make sure the tape is snug but not tight. This will help your outfit to fit smoothly. For your hip measurement, measure around the fullest part of your hips and butt. The tape should not be too tight and should go up and down your hips snugly like this. For your thigh measurement, measure around the thickest part of your thigh. For your knee, measure around your knee. And for your ankle, measure around your ankle like so. To take your vertical lower body measurements, place your measuring tape on the floor beneath your foot and slowly drag it up until the tip of the measuring tape is at your waistline. Now you measure from the waistline down to the hip line, and then from the waist to the knee, and finally from the waist to the ankle. You can also use this chance to measure what your waist to the floor length is. To take your vertical sleeve measurements, you'll be needing one of these sewing clips, and you'll be pinning the tip of the measuring tape to your shoulder like so. Now, measure from your shoulder to your elbow, and from your shoulder down to your wrist. To take your horizontal sleeve measurements, start with the armhole. Measure around the armhole area where the sleeve will sit. Make sure the measuring tape is not too tight and fits comfortably. For your bicep measurement, measure around the fullest part of your upper arm. For your elbow measurement, measure around your elbow, and for your wrist, measure around your wrist. And that's the end of my tutorial. If you found this video very helpful, don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. Stay tuned and see you guys in my next video. Bye!